present a project of civil prototyping that is tool in stool. My name is Vaishnavi Gonde from Rambuta branch, batch A3, roll number 42, and my teammates.
Prathamesh Darekar, batch A3, roll number 51.
I am Nagan Kankat, roll number 45.
I am Vivek Raj, roll number 54.
Now I will be giving introduction of our project that is tool in stool and some basics about bamboo. I would like to introduce you to a fascinating piece of furniture that combines elegance, sustainability and versatility, the bamboo stool. Bamboo, a fast-growing and renewable resource, has been used for centuries in our various cultures for its strength, beauty and environmental benefits. The bamboo stool embodies these qualities and offers a multitude of advantages that make it a popular choice in contemporary design. The bamboo stool exemplifies the perfect blend of strength, beauty and sustainability. Its durability coupled with its elegant design, choosing bamboo furniture, we embrace a greener lifestyle and contribute to the preservation of our environment. So whether we are looking for a practical sitting arrangement or a stylish accent piece encapsulating the harmonious fusion of nature and design, we always choose the materials of bamboo.
From A3 batch, roll number 54. Now I will be giving the details of our product. We have made a stool. We can use it also a study table or a table to keep the objects. We have used around 2.5 meter of bamboo. We have cutted the bamboo into total 8 pieces. The vertical length is 72 centimeter and we have cutted 4 pieces of 72 centimeter, and the horizontal is 60 centimeter and we have cutted it 4 pieces, and 65 into 65 centimeter of base area. So coming on how we have developed our product, we have developed 4 T-joints and 4 fish mounts. We have also cutted the 12 bamboos into 2 pieces of 65 centimeter length and for support. We have sliced the bamboo into 2 pieces for the support from all the 3 edges. As you can see, we have kept this space empty so that we can insert anything inside it. And so now I will be talking about T-joints. So T-joint is a strong connection between 2 pieces of wood forming a T-shape. They distribute forces and load efficiently, enhancing the overall structure integrity of the assembly. T-joints allows for flexibility in design and construction. They are commonly used in applications such as building frames, bridges, automotive and pipe system. And we are using this T-joint concept in our project. So now coming on fish mouth. Fish mouth cuts are used primarily in bamboo. They involve cutting a concave half circle shape at the end of the bamboo, which allows it to precisely fit onto another bamboo with a corresponding fish mouth cut. This facilitates accurate alignment and seamless joint. We have taken one bamboo. We have cutted the end of the bamboo into a fish mouth shape. We have inserted a key in the fish mouth shape bamboo so that it can get tightened, and we have drilled the bamboo from the side of fish mouth so that it does not get loosened and it will accommodate the weight of the stool. We have inserted the key into another bamboo and we have drilled the key so that it gets tightened. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nagan Kankat, I am number 45. Today I will tell you the core evolution of your project, which is the total bamboo cost is 150 rupees per 5 kilo. Then we have used nutwood and then which is 150 rupees. And for the designing of the product we have used the AutoCAD Fusion drawing, and for that the labor charge is 500 rupees for design, and the work cost for the labor is 800 rupees, and the profit cost of our project is 300 rupees. And so our overall cost of the product is 2500 rupees, and the final cost unit is 3009 rupees. So this is our final costing. Now I will tell you the problem faced while we are making our project and the solution for it. When using bamboo to create tools for furniture, there are two common problems. that can arise. Here are some potential issues and possible solutions. So the first problem is structural stability. Bamboo is a natural material that can be prone to bending or collapsing over time, especially if it is not properly fitted or dried. This can lead to instability in the food structure. Solution: to enhance the structural stability of the bamboo tool, you can take the following measures. Use properly curved and dried bamboo poles. Apply appropriate treatment to the bamboo, such as treatment of preservatives, to improve the durability and resistance to rotting. Ensure the joints are securely connected and reinforced using latching technique. Adhesive or bamboo pin. Consider adding additional support elements such as crossbars or braces to it. Second problem is surface roughness. Bamboo can have a rough or uneven surface, which may be uncomfortable to fit for the instant period. Solution for that is to address surface roughness in bamboo tools. You can try the following: hand down your bamboo surface to smooth out any rough area. That will coarse grit, sandpaper, and gradually move the fiber for the polished. Apply protective coating or finish to the bamboo such as flavor varnish or comfortable fitting for comfortable fitting experience. Third problem is moisture and leakage. Bamboo is susceptible to moisture absorption and leakage if it is constantly exposed to high humidity or damp conditions. So solution for it is to protect bamboo tools from moisture related issues. Consider this step. Apply water resistant sealant. Keep the tool away from the direct contact with water as excessively humid environment. Third is regularly inspect the bamboo for signs of decay or mold growth. If you notice anything into promptly adjust nearby cleaning. Fourth problem is weight limit. Bamboo tools may have weight limitations depending on their design and the strength of bamboo loop. Overloading the tool can lead to structural failure. So solution is to ensure the tool can support the intended weight considered as possible. Select bamboo poles of appropriate thickness and strength for the tool design. Reinforce the critical joints and stress points to enhance the load bearing capacity. By addressing these potential problems and implementing suitable solutions, you can create bamboo tools that are sturdy, comfortable, and durable.
So as you can see, we can use this tool to keep the laptop, and many of students can use it for study. See that now I have sat on this bamboo stool, but it is quite comfortable to sit. Now I tell you about the conclusion of our product. Bamboo stool provides a unique and environment-friendly sitting option that combines the natural beauty and sustainability of bamboo with functional designs. However, working with bamboo can present certain challenges that need to be addressed to ensure the longevity and usability of the stools. Our common challenge is ensuring the structural stability of bamboo stools. Bamboo is a natural material that can be prone to bending and wrapping over time, especially it is not properly treated or dried. To overcome this, it is crucial to use properly cured and dried bamboo as we have used in our product. Applying appropriate treatments such as heat treatment and preservatives can significantly improve the bamboo's durability and quality and resistance to wrapping. Additionally, reinforcing the joints using lashing techniques, adhesives, and T-joints as well as bamboo pins will enhance the overall structural integrity of the stools. Consider adding crossbars or braces that provide the extra supports and distribute the load evenly, such as we have applied here. Surface roughness and another aspect that needs attention when working with the bamboo. Bamboo can have a naturally rough or even surface. So this is the rough surface. So in conclusion, the bamboo stool offers a sustainable and aesthetical pleasuring seating solution by addressing the challenge of structural stability, surface roughness, moisture susceptibility, and weight limitation through the proper treatment, construction techniques, and regular maintenance. Bamboo stools can be durable, comfortable, and visually appealing. Embracing the bamboo as the versatile and renewable sources not only showcase its natural beauty but also promotes the sustainable and eco-friendly design